Hello guys, shop tour. So welcome back to EBK Prints. I'm Ethan. I'm I guess one of the main spokesperson for our channel here. So today we're going to be doing a workshop tour. So we have the old Asus phone I have as a kind of monitoring for the Bamboo, and then we have my AMS, the clock just cause had an extra clock lying around. There's a projector for this, and then right now I'm printing Rocket Bowling by Hyper. More details later if I want to post that. Primeline is without print failure. Ironic thing is this thing technically kind of failed. It looks a bit sketchy. I guess that can now be part of a joke. There's a total day counter. That's the light. That's the receiver. And there's an LED strip inside. Sunlu S2 dryer. Great. And I have this, the A1 and A1 Mini AMS light hub, which I printed some things to make it adapt. This is where the scraper is supposed to be, but it's not there. 3D lac, great stuff, use it. Plate holder, texture PI, H1H Phantom light beam from AliExpress. I have the engineering and smooth here. And then I have the cool plate running in there right now. We have a bunch of signs here. Okay, so this is my filament collection. Not just this, but this part of it. So I have everything from Polylight PET G, Sunlu PLA Plus, JO PLA Plus, Bamboo ASA, clear Polylight PET G, a generic wood PLA, TPU from Overture, Arione PET G and PET GCF, the Glow PLA from Arione. I have Overture PLA Plus, Overture Easy Nylon, Bamboo Polycarbonate, generic marble PLA. What else am I missing? Yeah, I think that's pretty. Polylight polycarbonate. And here we have, ignore this. This is just everything so messy. This is the dust collector system I've been doing. And then there's this, just the ongoing project table. We do things as we like to. Move that. There's an air purifier, about 150 CAD for this. So it's a Winix air purifier, so I run that if I'm doing ASA. Now here's my other filaments. This is the support for PLA, which I'll never use again. White PET G. These are all Arione, by the way. White, I think that's, transparent. CF, gray, and black. Let me just turn on. Oh, the light's already on. Okay. Here's the desk. Tabletop. Yeah, I use the oven. The cooktop too sometimes. More Overture PLA, TPU white, Polylight PC transparent, transparent red and transparent blue for PET G. More Sunlu PLA Plus up there. And then these are just empty boxes. Random stuff. More empty boxes. Tool shed. Favorite part? That is my maintenance drawer. All stuff. I have screws, PTFE, filter, cutter lever, everything you could ever need. Well, for the most part is in there. This is the project box, so any finished projects that I don't really use often, I just chuck in here. So this is the entire drawer for 3D printed stuff. And then, that's that. I have these IKEA boxes. Nothing much in there. This is a tool drawer, which a bunch of stuff that I don't really know what's going on. Here's a nozzle box. Inside filled with AliExpress nozzles for my hot end. That's pretty much it for this workshop. Thank you very much.